Namaste, I'm Dr. Anasuya Gohil and welcome to Pavan App. As I have mentioned earlier, that aging is simply the elevation of Vata dosh. So to balance out it, we need to keep in check our Vata dosh. And the best way to do that is by Shir Ghrit Abhyas, that is mentioned in Ayurveda text. Now what is Shir Ghrit Abhyas? It is nothing else but the consumption of milk and ghee. As we age, we hear a lot about not having heavy diet. So the first thing that we quit is ghee and milk. But that is the biggest mistake that we make. All the age-related problems majorly are related to low bone mass density, digestive problems, mental ability problems, and all these can only be balanced out by consuming milk and ghee in our daily routine. But there are some points that we should keep in mind while we are consuming them. First, never overconsume them. Always eat ghee and milk in moderate quantities. Do not consume more than a cup of milk in a day. And eat ghee by adding it in your vegetables or dal that you are consuming. But never eat food that is fried in ghee, as it is really heavy to digest. Secondly, try consuming cow's milk and cow's ghee rather than buffalo's milk and ghee, as they are comparatively quite heavy. Along with that, make it a point to daily eat ghee if you are having digestive problems, as ghee helps a lot with proper digestion. And many of our bone related problems are also actually related somewhere to our digestive problems. In Ayurveda, it is said Kaya Chikitsa. That simply means the Chikitsa of our Agni. And ghee actually elevates our Agni. So it is really important to consume ghrit. Secondly, there are some things that you should avoid as you age. One amongst them is pulses. Pulses are really heavy to digest, so we should not consume them in excess. You can eat moong dal, and if you want to eat some other pulse, then please add digestives like jeera, dhania, hing, so that they can be digested properly. Third thing, add fruits like amla in your daily routine. Amla is said to be miraculous because it helps you fight all the pathological changes that are taking place in your body. I hope you'll inculcate these basic practices in your life. I'll meet you in some other series solving some other problems of yours. Till then, you take care. Namaste.